6.76.
Is it visible?
97.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. দেখা যাচ্ছে।
হ্যাঁ স্যার দেখা যাচ্ছে।
To the second session.
Sir.
Operating modes of 8259. So it started from this mode which is called the fully nested mode. Fully nested mode, actually it's a default mode of operation in 8259 where IR0, so 8 interrupt lines, sequence lines are available from IR0 to IR7. So IR0 has the highest priority and IR7 has the lowest priority in this mode. Now when interrupt requests are noticed, what happened, the highest priority request amongst these 8 interrupt lines, the highest priority is determined and the vector is placed on the data bus. Now the corresponding bit of the ISR will be set and it remains set till the microprocessor issues an end of interrupt command. Okay, and it issues that end of interrupt command just before returning from the ISR, interrupt service routine, or the automatic end of interrupt bit is set. So I have not discussed the individual format of ICW1 or ICW2 or ICW3, 4. Like if you have any textbook, you can see it, check it from there, that ICW1 and 2, it has certain bit combinations. Okay, now each bit, it has specific function, and within that bit, like in case of ICW ICW 2, sorry, ICW1, there has been certain bits, whether ICW4 is needed or not. Is it a single mode operation or cascade mode operation, or what is the address bit address call address interval is either 4-bit wide or 8-bit wide, or it's a level triggered interrupt or is triggered interrupt. So these type of command can be initialized. Okay, and in ICW4 there is a bit called automatic end of interrupt bit, AEOI bit. Okay, so if this bit actually set, then the corresponding ISR bit will be set. So if the ISR or in-service register bit is set, then all the lower priority interrupts are stopped, it's functioning, but higher levels will generate an interrupt. Okay, and that higher level which will be acknowledged only if the microprocessor interrupt enable flag is set, because it is connected through the INTR pin. Now if interrupt flag is set, then okay, if it then any signal which is coming through this INTR pin can be recognized. So that's why if interrupt enable flag is set, that can be acknowledged. But if it is not set, if interrupt enable flag is reset, means in off position, then no signal can be acknowledged by the processor. Okay, so so these priorities can afterwards changed by the programming method, software method, using the rotating priority mode. Okay, you can change the priorities. Next mode is called the automatic rotation mode. Okay, automatic rotation mode. In this mode, now when a device is being serviced, it receives the lowest priority. So basically what happened in this case, automatic rotation mode, this is used in the application where all the interrupting devices are of equal priority. Okay, in this mode, an interrupt request level receives the lowest priority after it is served, while the next device to be served gets the highest priority. Okay, in sequence. Now once all the devices are serviced in this way, then the first device again gets the highest priority. Okay, so that's why it is called the automatic rotation mode. The next mode is called the specific rotation mode. Specific rotation mode. Here in this mode, the bottom priority level has been selected. For example, like if IR5, suppose if IR5 is selected as a bottom priority, okay, so then IR5 will have least priority, so it will be processed last, and IR4 will have a next higher priority. Okay, so if IR4 has the next higher priority, means if IR4 IR5 gets the lowest priority, means 7, then IR4 gets the highest priority, means 6, then IR3 gets the highest priority as 5. So in this way, IR6 will have the highest priority, that will be 0. Okay, so 0 has the highest priority, 7 has the lowest priority, so IR6 gets the highest priority. Now these priorities can be changed during an UI command programming, which rotates on specific UI command in a particular initialization command, operational command words, which is in OCW2. There is a bit which can be used to set up this type of operation. Okay, so that means you have set one IR, means user can select any IR line as the lowest priority, so the next line will be get the next higher priority. So in this way it will be rotated, so one IR line has been fixed so that other lines can be adjusted in this way. That's why it is called the specific rotation mode. The next mode is called the end of interrupt mode. So that means after, now when the ISR bit is the ISR bit can be reset either using the automatic end of interrupt bit of ICW1 or ICW4, or by UI command, okay, issued before returning from the ISR. Now there are two types of UI command mode. One is called the specific, another is called the non-specific. Okay, so specific and non-specific. Now now when non-specific UI command is issued to the 8259A, it will automatically reset the highest ISR bit out of those already set. Okay, so highest ISR bit will be reset. And so in specific UI command, what happened? So here is the format for specific UI command. So these 3 bits D0, D1, D2, which is called the L0, L1, L2. These bits can be given according to your requirement. If 000 is here, then the 0 bit of the ISR will be reset. Okay, if 001 has been given in these 3 bits, then 1 bit, that means ISR 1 bit number 1, D0, D1, D2 up to D7, so D1 bit will be reset of the ISR register. So in this way a particular specific bit can be reset. Another end of interrupt mode is available, which is called the automatic end of interrupt mode. Now in this mode, what happens in the 8259 performs a non-specific UI operation basically. And so basically where it will be used, this will be used only when a nested multi-level interrupt structure is not required with a single 8259 IC. That's all. Okay, so it is used for master purpose only, this automatic UI command. Okay, so these are the different operating modes. And here next is the interfacing diagram. So here 8085 and 8259 is given, so here you can change it as 8086 also. Okay, so that the record number of operation will be there, and in that case the address lines will be 20 if it is 8086, and address and data lines, this will be 8 in this case. Another data lines are not connected, okay, because 8259 can only access, it has only the 8-bit data bus, okay, it is not connected for any 16-bit data bus. So it is 8-bit computable data bus. So in this case, if it is interfaced with 8259 IC, what happened, how it will be operates. Now 8259 requires two addresses. One is the A0 line, another is the A1 line, okay. Now the A0 line from the address bus is connected to the A0 line of the 8259 IC, okay, and then the higher order address bus is used to select a particular chip using an address decoder circuit. The read and write control signals are connected to the of the 8085 are connected to the corresponding signals of the 8259 IC. Now the data lines of the 8259 IC are connected to the corresponding signals, corresponding multiplex lower order address bus and data bus of the 8085. The multipurpose SP slash, here in this case SP/EN bar, this is connected to the logic high signal to the VCC, because only one 8259 is used in this system. That's why it is not connected to the ground pin. If it is used the cascade mode, like a different 8259, or you have 3 or 4 or 8 8259 ICs, you need to connect this this pin with the ground pin, okay. And if it is not connected to the ground pin, that means only one 8259 IC is available, which is connected to the 8085 or equal number of microprocessor IC. The interrupt request line INT of 8259 is connected to the 8085 interrupt line INTR, and the INTA bar pulse is connected to the INTA bar pulse of the 8085 microprocessor. Now only when only 18259 is used in your system, the cascade line CS, CS bar, CS0 bar, CS1, CS2, all can be left open because you don't have any slave devices to identify, okay. So cascade connection is not made here, that's why the cascade lines are left open. Now the 8 IR inputs of the 8259 IC, these are connected to the interrupt sources from the various external devices, such as AD converter or any keyboard or any printer, scanner, or any other type of switches. So any device can give the request, interrupt request signal through this 8259 IC to the 8085 or 8086 microprocessor IC. Now unused IR inputs, so if 8 devices are not connected through these 8 IR lines, so only 4 or 5 lines are connected, then the unused IR input must be tied to the ground in order to avoid the noise, okay, which is being recognized as an interrupt signal. So noise can be an interrupt signal, so that's why to minimize the noise you have to connect it with the ground, because if it is left open or to connect with anyone, then the erroneous signal will be processed, and that can be accessed as your one type of interrupt signal, okay. So initialization of 8259 involves writing the initialization command words in proper sequences, and after initialization the operation and command words OCWs can be written as and when it is required, and that's why and in this way this 8259 can be interfaced, okay, and it will be operated, okay. So right now it's that's all for today. So 8259 has been finished, and do you have any queries? If you have any queries, any doubts, you can ask me now. Do you have any queries, any doubts regarding 8259 IC?
No, sir.
Yes. Yes. Who is talking? Indrani Hajra, do you have any queries, any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, Sumon.
নো স্যার, স্যার এটা আমি আরো পড়বো স্যার, যদি কোনো ডাউট থাকে নেক্সট ডে আরো বলবো।
Okay. Anyone? Anyone? Everyone, you must unmute yourself so that I can communicate with all of you. And do you have any queries, any doubts regarding this topic? You can ask me now. You can unmute yourself and ask me the question. Shreyoshi Odhikari.
Sir, echo হচ্ছে কথাটা বলতে।
Can you hear me? Do you have any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. So anyone have any doubt? If you don't have any
Sir, I don't have a
yes.
doubt, but I don't have a doubt, but I just wanted to ask the link for the
Who are you? Who are you? First,
previous
tell me
classes.
your name.
So my name is Shiv Ghosh.
Huh? Sorry?
Shiv, SHIV, sir.
Sir, Shiv Ghosh.
Shiv. Shiv. Okay. Okay. Yes. Tell me.
I think my microphone is not working. Sir, I was asking that for the previous classes, the PDFs were not shared in the Google Classroom app. Is something wrong?
No, it's not clearly audible to me.
Yes,
Can
I
you
know my
can you
microphone
write
is
over
not
chat?
working.
Write over chat section. Can you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can write me. And anyone else? Sanchari. Shreyoshi Abdha. Arijit. Do you have any doubt? Pritha Pramanik. Pritha Pramanik unmute হচ্ছে না। Why? Pritha.
হ্যাঁ স্যার, এবার হয়েছে।
Okay. Okay, I think all of you have unmuted yourself. Okay, so again I'm asking you, do you have any queries? Anyone? If you have. Okay, previous days PDF I can't remember right now whether it is uploaded or not. I need to check it again, and if there is it is not uploaded, then surely it will be uploaded soon. Okay, with this current topic.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Okay, so if you don't have any confusion, then I will end today's meeting. So thank you all. Okay, see you on Thursday. Okay. Thank you all.
Thank you.